This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Pivot up the radiator grille badge, insert the key, and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the catch. Now rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch and lift the bonnet. Support the bonnet with the prop. To renew the left-hand headlight bulbs, unclip and remove the battery cover. Press forward the clip at the base and remove the cover from the rear of the headlight. Pull the wiring plug from the main beam bulb. Press up and fold out the bulb retaining clip. Carefully extract the bulb from the headlight reflector. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the new bulb into the reflector, aligning the flat on the bulb flange with the flat in the reflector socket. Fold up the retaining clip and press it securely into place. Push the wiring plug onto the bulb terminal. Pull the wiring plug from the dipped beam bulb. Depress, unhook and fold out the retaining clip. Remove the dipped beam bulb. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, manoeuvre the new bulb into place, aligning the lug at the top of the bulb flange with the corresponding cutout in the reflector socket. Fold over the retaining clip and press it securely into place. Push the wiring plug onto the bulb terminals. Refit the cover to the rear of the headlight, ensuring the hinges at the top of the cover are correctly located. Then pull the clip at the base rearwards to secure it. Where necessary, refit the battery cover. Unhook the prop and lower the bonnet firmly. Remove the key and pivot over the badge.